Good day, Namaskar. I am Professor Mrunal Mehta from JG College of Commerce, Ahmedabad. Friends, today we are going to do Indian Financial System, a subject for BCom Semester 3 students of Gujarat University. Friends, normally हमारे papers के अंदर हर एक क्वेश्चन में MCQs या वन लाइनर्स आते हैं, ठीक है? आज हम जो कर रहे हैं वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वन लाइनर्स कर रहे हैं, हम कोई डिटेल आंसर आज प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे. So what we are doing today, we are doing short answers, and these are the answers from Gujarat University examination paper of 2018 and 19. Okay, and this is we are doing is only unit 3 of IFS, that is unit 3 of Indian Financial System. First, what is the meaning of cashless policy? When insurance company allow their members, allow their policy holders to get medical treatment in any of the recognized hospital without paying cash, that is called as a cashless policy. But now when we say recognized hospital, it means the hospital which is recognized by that particular insurance company. Okay? Then, what is nationalization? We divide the answer in two groups. The first is nationalization and the second is nationalization of bank. Nationalization can be referred as act or a process of transferring public control to the public control or to give in the hand of the government control. That process is called nationalization. What is nationalization of banks? Nationalization of bank refers to the act or a process of transferring private control over the banks to public control or under the government control. So the process of transferring private control to the government control or a public control, that process is called as a nationalization. What is non-performing assets? Non-performing assets are popularly known as NPAs. Now what is NPA? Any asset, any credit facility which is given by the bank which is now not producing income for the bank, that asset is known as NPA. What is insurance? इंश्योरेंस इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन टू पार्टीज. दो लोगों के बीच का एक लीगल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, ठीक है? उसमें दो पार्टीज में एक है इंश्योरर और दूसरा है इंश्योर्ड. इंश्योरर जो है वो गारंटी देता है कि अगर जो स्पेसिफिक लॉसेस जिसके लिए आपने इंश्योरेंस लिया है, अगर वो लॉसेस हुए, वो डैमेजेस हुए या बीमार हो गए या किसी इंसान की डेथ हो जाती है, तो उन चीजों को वो मॉनेटरीली कॉम्पेंशिएट करेंगे. ये इंश्योरर का गारंटी है. रिटर्न में जो इंश्योर्ड है, he or she has to pay a fixed sum of money till a particular period of time or for a particular year, and which is known as premium. Okay, so insurance is a contract between two parties. One has to pay the premium against which he or she gets the guarantee or coverage for the specific losses. Describe two objectives of nationalization of banks. देखो friends, nationalization of bank के बहुत सारे objectives थे. I have mentioned two here. You can take any other two also. Huh? The first is democratic administration, and second, to protect the public interest or to protect the interest of the depositors. Then next, describe the types of insurance. We have three types of insurance, that is life insurance, general insurance and health insurance. Describe types of general insurance: marine insurance, fire insurance and miscellaneous insurance. Now in miscellaneous insurance we have number of different types of insurance. How many types of NPAs are there? The NPAs are classified into three categories. First is a substandard NPA, second is a doubtful NPA, and the third is loss assets. Or I can say first is a substandard assets, जिसके ऊपर अब कुछ टाइम से irregular payments हो रहे हैं. Doubtful assets यानी कुछ टाइम से पैसा आया ही नहीं, now we have a doubt कि ये पैसा आएगा या नहीं आएगा. And the third is loss, यानी अब इसके ऊपर मॉनिटरी रिकवरी के चांसेस या तो मिनिमम है या तो फिर नहीं है. Write a full form of TPA. TPA means third party administration. And second is NPFC. Write the full form of NPFC. NPFC means non-banking financial companies. Clear, friends? So this is all for the Unit 3 short answers. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.